Hello, and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. It's Kelly here, and today we are so excited to be showing you everything from our summer 2025 release in this overview video. We are so excited about these products. They're so much fun, and they are such a blast to craft with. We have lots of birthday things and summery things, and oh my gosh, it's just so much fun. So we're going to be showing you all of the stamps, dies, stencils, paper, and more from this release. We just featured all of these products in our June Inspiration Week, and all of the intro videos for these products are available now too. And the awesome thing is that everything in this video, everything in our Summer 2025 release, will be available on June 19th. So we thought it would be fun to give you a peek and go over everything in this awesome release, so let's go ahead and check it all out. First up, we're going to take a look at my favorite stamp set from this release, and it's our Capybara stamp set and also the Capybaras add-on stamp set. We have coordinating dies and coloring stencils for both of the sets, and the cards with this adorable critter turn out so cute. I love these capybaras so much, and I love that they're great for general cards or birthday cards or graduation cards or any other fun, adorable thing. I just think they are just the sweetest things ever. This is our Cake It Easy stamp set and also the Cake It Easy add-on, and we have coordinating dies and coloring stencils for these too. These cakes are so cute. You can use them on their own or you can stack them to create a cool layered cake. The number candles are so perfect for personalizing your cards, and I love that you can combine these cute cakes with your favorite critters like those adorable capybaras. Next up, we have our next in our series of Henry's sets. We have our Henry's Build a Sentiment Birthday. These sets are awesome for creating fun, custom mix and match sentiments. You can use this birthday set on its own, or you can combine it with your other favorite Henry's Build a Sentiment stamp sets. And here you can see some of these cute phrases in action. I love the blow out the candles and make a wish, happy birthday to you. It's fun for stamping on the front of cards, and it's also fun for stamping on the inside of your cards too. And it's really great for fun things like the pull inside surprise. Next up, we have the latest addition to our treat cart, and this is our treat cart add-on tacos, and oh my goodness, it makes the most adorable taco cards. We also have the sentiment add-on that matches it too, and you can see here that it is a perfect match for our treat cart stamp set. So now you can make it an ice cream treat cart, a smoothies treat cart, a coffee cart, or a taco cart. And look how adorable these cards are. They are so much fun, and that add-on gives the perfect cute and punny sentiments for these adorable taco themed cards. Next up here, we have our Summer Friend stamp set, and these little guys are so much fun. They have different smiley faces that you can stamp in them, and the cards turn out so perfect for summer. Here you can see it on our platform pop-up, and oh my gosh, those guys are just so cute. I love those fun little mini phrases that you can stamp around these characters, and they're really fun for making quick and easy cards too. They are just too much fun and perfect for summertime. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at our awesome Keep On Swimming add-on. This is an add-on to our previously released Keep On Swimming stamp set, and we've also come out with a brand new reveal wheel drop-down for it, which you can use with this set, the new add-on, or the original set too. So you can mix and match these in so many fun ways. And here's a look at this awesome reveal wheel. As you spin the wheel, the cute little fish swim through the bowl, and I think this is just so sweet and adorable. You can of course use this set with the reveal wheel, but you can also use it without the reveal wheel too, and the cards with it turn out so cute. I love that you can use it on its own and mix it, match it with the original set too, and I just love these as birthday cards so much. Next up, we're going to take a look at our Shello Friend stamp set. These little characters are so much fun. I love those little bubbles because you can stamp the phrases in them. You can use these on their own for fun ocean scenes, or you can combine them with your favorite ocean themed sets like the Mermaid for You stamp set to add extra characters in. And oh my gosh, I love these cards so much. Next up, we have our Build a Cake die and also the Build a Cake add-on. And this die helps you build a cake. It is so much fun because you can create gorgeous custom cakes with all of these fun decorations. You can have fudge dripping down. You can do a cake plate or a cake pedestal. You can stack them in cool layers to create a layered cake. You can of course do birthday cakes, but you can do beautiful things like wedding cakes too. You can add other little stamped images or die cuts or your favorite critters to these as well. And these cakes are so much fun to make. Next up, we have some awesome new add-ons for one of my favorite interactive dies, and these are the palm tree inserts for the platform pop-up and the wave wraparound. And so this takes your platform pop-up and it brings it into summertime in such a fun way. And here you can see this in action. You get those cute waves, and as you push it from the bottom, you get this amazing three-dimensional scene with a cute little island and palm trees. I absolutely love these cards so much. They're so much fun to combine with the brand new Awesome Summer Friends set, or you can combine it with your favorite ocean and beachy theme sets like our On the Beach set here too. Oh my goodness, I love these palm trees. It makes the platform pop-up so awesome. Here we have our brand new Build a Drink Bubble Tea add-on. It's the latest in our Build a Drink family, and these bubble teas are so cute. You can make the most adorable cards with this. You could turn it even to into a Frappuccino type look, or you could also do something like a matcha. So I love that there's so many fun and cool ways to use this die, and these cards are so much fun to create. And also with our Build a Drink family, we have the brand new Margarita add-on, and the Margarita cards also turn out so cute. You can mix and match the elements from the different Build-A-Drinks die sets together, which is so great. And these also make really fun shaker cards too. Next up, we have our Festive Piñata die, and this is one of those paper piecing style dies, and this is so much fun to do with different colors of cardstock and with pattern papers as well. These make for perfect birthday cards. They are so colorful and so much fun, and I love this shaker idea too. To go along with our birthday theme, next up we have our candle border die, and this is so cool because you can layer the different pieces to create a cool flame detail and then fun candles. They're really adorable at the bottom of your cards, and you can do portrait and landscape. I love the idea of using that little wavy border to make it look like a cake on the bottom of your cards. And what do cakes need? They need sprinkles. So we have this awesome sprinkle border here. This die cuts this fun little sprinkle shape out of your cards, and then you can layer colored cardstock or pattern paper behind it. And it's that perfect little detail to add to your cards. And it's a fun little place for your favorite critters and characters to stand on too. Here's our balloon bunch die, which is another paper piecing style die that gives you the perfect balloons for all of your birthday cards. And I love it with our cute Build-A-Bunny here. It's just adorable. Next up, we have our Fiesta banner border, which is in the style of papel picado, and this is so beautiful on cards. You can use one or two strands at the top of your scenes to kind of help set the scene and add some fun color, or you can also fill in your cards with these as well. They're really fun die cut out of different pattern papers or colored cardstocks, and I absolutely love the fun and festive feel it adds to your cards. This is our giant Let's Celebrate, which is so fun because I love these giant bold sentiments that you can add onto your card. They're a great match to our new candle border, and they're also really, really fun with that new Fiesta banner border and even that cool cake plate that we've added on the bottom of this one. Here we have our riverside backdrop in the landscape style. I love this die. It creates the coolest backdrop for all your different scenes. Of course, it's awesome with our brand new capybara stamp set, but it's really great with a lot of your favorite critters too. I love that you can die cut that little wave in there and tuck your favorite characters into them. It makes such a cute scene. And of course, we have the riverside backdrop in the portrait style too. And in this portrait style, oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. The other thing that you can do is you can turn this river into a little road as well, which is a really fun way to use this die. And of course, it's a perfect match for our capybaras, but it's also a really great match for some of your other favorite critters like our adorable mice. We've been coming out with some outlines for our favorite scripty words, and now we finally have them for Scripty Happy and Scripty Birthday. And I love that it gives this beautiful base to help make your sentiments really bold on your cards, and it's perfect for all of these fun birthday themed things here. So here you can see how they really just pop on the card by layering that outline base beneath them, and oh my gosh, these have turned out so cute. And speaking of cute, next up we have the latest addition to our Tiny Gift Box character. So this is our Tiny Gift Box mouse add-on, which turns this awesome tiny gift box into a cute little mouse. We have a ton of fun critters for this box, and I love that we finally have a mouse too, and look at that little tail on the back. I mean, it's so cute. I love this little box. The other fun thing about all of these Tiny Gift Box critter add-ons is that you can use them on their own as well. And look how cute this little mouse is with our balloon bunch and the Bake Me a Cake. I love that it's a cheesecake. And this card here is so much fun. I love the little cheese that it's standing on. Now here are our stitched seashells, which are so beautiful and make the most gorgeous ocean cards. You can do softer colors or more bold colors. I also really love these seashells on those new platform pop-up add-ons that I showed you earlier. Now we have some really awesome stencils in this release. And first up, we have our birthday candle stencils. This is a 3-step stencil that gives you the most gorgeous layered candles. They are so much fun to create with, and I love how they look on cards. You can use them on their own, or you can add your favorite critters with them, and I think it looks adorable. Also have our balloon background stencils. This is a 4-step stencil that gives you 3 different colors of balloon, and it fills in the background too. It's so much fun to make them the star of the show, or also to put them in the background too, and it looks really great with those bold sentiments. Next up, we have our Gleeful Gradients paper collection. We have these in a 12 by 12 size and a 6 by 6 size too, and these papers are so gorgeous. On the front side, you have this beautiful gradient, and on the back, you have these really beautiful stars, and these gradients are absolutely gorgeous. They make for the most beautiful skies and backgrounds, and I love that we have them in the 2 different sizes, where you can have the larger scale or the smaller scale. And my favorite paper from the collection is that beautiful rainbow. And here you can see the 6 by 6 pad. You get 3 of each of the papers for a total of 36 sheets, and the patterns are so beautiful in this smaller scale. Next up, we have 3 brand new washi tapes. We have our birthday candles washi tape, our summer friends washi tape, and our capybaras washi tape. And these go so great with all of the different themes in this release. Here you can see those beautiful birthday candles that are perfect for all of our fun cake and birthday themed cards. We also have those super cute summer friends that go, of course, great with the summer friends, and also all of those fun tropical summery things that we have in this release. And then, of course, those adorable capybaras are a perfect match for our capybaras stamp set. They are just so sweet and cute, and these washi tapes just make me smile. We're also going to be releasing the Garden Mouse stamp set with its coordinating dies and now coordinating coloring stencils. This set is so cute, and I absolutely love this adorable little gardening mouse. We're also going to be releasing our Rhino Mite stamp set, its coordinating dies and coloring stencils. That little rhinoceros is so cute, and the cards with it turn out absolutely adorable. And then we're also going to be releasing our I Love You Mower stamp set. I love this little mouse with his lawnmower. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely adorable. We have been coming out with coloring stencils for some of our favorite older stamp sets, and now we have coloring stencils for our Veggie Happy stamp set, which is so cute and a perfect match for that garden mouse. We also have coloring stencils for our Berry Special stamp set, which is absolutely adorable and really cute for summertime. And then we've got a coloring stencil for the original Keep On Swimming stamp set, which is perfect since we now have that awesome add-on and new reveal wheel drop down. So that is our summer 2025 release. We had so much fun during this June Inspiration Week, and we hope you guys did too. We're really looking forward to sharing lots more inspiration on the blog and also with our upcoming Inspiration Week in July. We're also so excited that all of these fun products are available on June 19th. I also wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for all of your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and for being absolutely incredible. We appreciate you guys so much, and we can't wait to see what you're going to create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We absolutely love seeing your incredible and amazing creations. And we're so grateful for you guys and your amazing kindness and all of your beautiful projects. We wanted to thank you so much for watching today, and we hope you have an absolutely amazing and happy day. Bye.